got a Jeep Wagoneer key fob. This is how you open it to replace the battery. So if we look on the left side of the remote, we're going to push this button right in, and then we're going to take out the door key. Okay. And if you look right here, there's a slot right here. The slot, you can use a screwdriver to just pry the back case up and off. Okay, it's very simple. That's how you do it without damaging the remote. If you look right here, there's a slot, again, for a little flathead screwdriver where you can just pop this battery out. Battery size is a CR2450, positive sign facing out towards us. You slide it back in here just like this, and you lock it back in there. Okay. And when you put it in here, you need to make sure that you push it against these contacts here like this. It can fight back with you a little bit. You might have to like mess around with it a little bit just to get it in there perfect. But it's made to go in there pretty tight, okay? Just like that. If you need a battery, I'll have an Amazon link in the description box, in the comment box. You can pick up a new battery there if you need one. That helps the channel out, helps you out, makes things nice and easy. And here we go. I start at the top with the back panel and work my way down. You just squish it back. And you know you got it all back together when you can stick the key in, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, and comment.